As the world becomes more dangerous, allied leaders will take bold decisions to strengthen our collective defense, making NATO a stronger, a fairer, and a more lethal alliance. This will include a major new defense investment plan, ranging the benchmark for defense investment to 5% of GDP. A concerted effort to ramp up defense industry across the alliance, bringing not only greater security, but also more jobs. And a continued focus on support for Ukraine, alongside the pursuit of a just and lasting end to Russia's war of aggression. All of this is essential to keeping our 1 billion citizens safe.